Hi my dear students. So this video is about the mind map, that is the preparation of a phenol. So I think when your CET exam was going on, I did some mind map for almost all the organic compounds like alcohols, followed by haloalkanes and the halorines, and then amines and the aldehydes, ketones and the carboxylic acid. I think I left with a phenol and ether, where one of the students have asked to do this one. So that's why I started. Okay, I'll just complete with a phenol, its preparation and the chemical reactions. Then in the upcoming video we will going to discuss about the ethers, right? Yes. So here you could see the mind map, the preparation of a phenol. So we know the structure of a phenol, that is C6H5OH. That is what I have written here, with a benzene ring where one hydrogen is replaced by the hydroxyl group. So that is what the phenol will be formed. Okay. And the preparation of a phenol I have given with the 4 methods. So first methods, let us go with here. When the benzene, okay, when the normal aromatic hydrocarbon, that is benzene, is treated with the oleum. What is oleum? Oleum is a mixture of, that you should know. Oleum is a mixture of, or its formula we're going to write what it is, H2S2O7. This is what the formula we are going to write for the oleum, right? So here what is exactly, we will going to take a sulfuric acid. To the concentrated sulfuric acid, sulfur trioxide is passed. The fuming sulfur trioxide is passed to the sulfuric acid. That gives the H2S2O7, which we're going to call it as a oleum. Okay. So when this benzene is treated with a mixture of the fuming sulfur trioxide and the concentrated sulfuric acid, it undergoes sulfonation. Okay, this is what we're going to call it as an electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, benzene will undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, that is the sulfonation, and followed by the sulfonation we will going to treat the compound formed with the sodium hydroxide. Okay, and we will going to treat with the acid. This results in the formation of respective phenol. Okay, and this is called the electrophilic substitution reaction. First, we are going to do the sulfonation. We will going to get a benzene sulfonic acid, followed by the treatment with the sodium hydroxide, that is base, and then with the acid, that gives the respective phenol. Okay, this is the one method of preparation of a phenol by the benzene. Now the next method here, you can just come over here. You could see that by using a cumene. Okay, what exactly cumene is? See, this is one of the best method, or the industrial method, or the commercial method of preparation of a phenol. Okay, why exactly this is a commercial method? Okay, we will just discuss later. So this is a cumene where it is not directly available. What they are going to do? They are going to take a benzene first. To this benzene, they will going to carry out Friedel-Crafts alkylation by using a propane. Okay, I'll just going to show you people. See what happens. Benzene when treated with the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, that is by using propene. Okay, so alkylation is carried out. Okay, and that results in the formation of this is cumene. Okay, isopropyl benzene. This is called isopropyl benzene, or also known as commonly as a cumene. When this cumene prepared is led to the oxidation. Okay, this is treated with the air, atmospheric oxygen we could say, or atmospheric air we could say, or by the aerial oxidation. It results in the formation of a cumene hydroperoxide, which that cumene hydroperoxide on further acid hydrolysis gives the respective phenol, and this method is known as what? The cumene process. Why it is important means, along with the phenol as a main product, we will going to get a acetone as a byproduct. So what? We will going to get a acetone as a byproduct in case of a cumene process. See, the required product is a phenol, where the acetone is one of the a good solvent. Even we are getting this as a byproduct, which is not a waste product here. Okay, this can also be an industrial important one. It can also be used as an organic solvent. Okay, so that's why this cumene process is an industrially a significant method of preparation of a phenol. Okay, yes. So let us move to the next method here. Come. that is aniline. Okay, when aniline, that is aminobenzene or benzenamine, treated with a HCl and sodium nitrite mixture at 0 degrees Celsius, means what? At cold condition. Okay, and this mixture, okay, and this method is known as diazotization reaction. What, dear students? This method is known as diazotization reaction. Okay, so what happens here? Aniline, when treated with a mixture of sodium nitrate and HCl at 0 degrees Celsius, it results in the formation of an orange dye, orange crystals or orange dye, and that orange dye is nothing but benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, when that benzene diazonium chloride is further treated with the water, when it is hydrolyzed, it will undergo hydrolysis and results in the formation of a phenol. Okay, and here this HCl and NaNO2, that is sodium nitrate, it will result in the formation of a compound called nitrous acid. It results in the formation of a compound called nitrous acid. Okay, that is important for the diazotization reaction. See what happens? This nitrous acid is actually an unstable. Okay, and it cannot be stored in any of the like reagent bottles. It may react with the reagent bottles. So that's why always this nitrous acid is like synthesized or prepared within the reaction or in situ. What the word we're going to use? In situ. That is only. Okay, so when HCl and sodium nitrate are mixed together, they result in the formation of a nitrous acid, and this nitrous acid reacts with the aniline to give benzene diazonium chloride, and that benzene diazonium chloride will further hydrolyze, that gives respective phenol. Okay, these are the three methods of preparation. With the name I have told, you need to concentrate on that one. And the next method is, this is a very important even for the theory and as well as for the competitive exams. So what they are telling here is chlorobenzene. Okay, when chlorobenzene is first treated with a sodium hydroxide, okay, and followed by treatment with a HCl at a compulsory condition of a 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere, will result in the formation of a phenol, dear students. Okay, so you might think chlorobenzene can easily, like chlorine can easily be removed. So what is the need of maintaining all this temperature? It is because, dear students, we know that the bond here, CCl bond, okay, here this carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon. sp2 hybridized carbon means a double bonded carbon. So what happens? This chlorine is strongly held with the carbon due to its short length, we could say. Okay, since this CCl bond is very strong, it is difficult to remove this chlorine, chloride, very difficult. It is difficult to remove this chloride. So what happens? We need to provide a temperature, we need to provide a pressure. So for that reason, chlorobenzene, when treated with a sodium hydroxide followed by the HCl at this temperature and the pressure, will result in the formation of a phenol. And this process is called as what, dear students? This is called Dow's process. Okay, and this process is known as a Dow's process. So these are some important methods of preparation of a phenols. I hope you had to concentrate more on this one, because this preparation usually comes for your theory exam. Like for the 2 or 3 marks, they're going to ask you, and they're going to ask you for like a complete the following reaction, where the half reaction will be given and another half reaction you have to complete it. Okay, and this might also be asked like a complete the following reaction. So you had to concentrate more on this one, and these are the methods of preparation of a phenol. I hope you find this one useful, dear students. Similarly, in the next video, let us discuss about the chemical reactions of a phenol. See, phenol will undergo a plenty of chemical reactions. Okay, why? We will going to discuss about that one, and in the next video we will do that one. And up to now, you just go through this one. I hope you find this one useful. Thank you.